Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to open multiple Cash App accounts legally and manage them correctly. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. Before getting started, it is important to know that Cash App only allows one account per unique email address or phone number. This means that if you want to create a second Cash App account, you must use a different email address or a different phone number from the one connected to your current account. This could be another email account, a second SIM card, or a separate phone number service that you legally own and control. First, open Cash App on your phone. Once the app loads, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and select the Sign Out option. After signing out, you will return to the Cash App welcome screen. Next, tap on Sign Up to begin creating your second account. When prompted, enter your second email address or alternate phone number. Make sure this information is not already linked to your existing Cash App account. Continue through the setup process by entering your name, creating a new cash tag, and linking a bank account or debit card if needed. Cash App may also ask you to verify your identity by following the on-screen instructions. Once the verification process is complete, your second Cash App account will be ready to use. Keep in mind that Cash App does not currently include a built-in feature for switching between multiple accounts instantly. To access different accounts, you may need to manually log out and log back in each time. Some Android devices also support app cloning or dual app features, which can make managing two accounts easier. iPhone users can sometimes access one account through the app and another through the Cash App website in a browser. To avoid confusion, it is a good idea to use different profile photos and keep one account for personal use while using the other for business, savings, or separate financial activity. Using different bank accounts or cards for each profile can also help keep transactions organized. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.